Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Anmol.
It's 17 hours.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Shan. You have to start, so be ready. Exact 5:05 will start. I'm just waiting for a few more participants to come in. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 have come. 4 more have to come. That's it. Nothing to worry. This is a first debate, a bit of trial one. So we have to improve our confidence. I am also learning something out of this contest. So nothing to worry. All of you can check your audio video. If your camera is working fine, if your audio is working fine.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Yash.
Sir, am I audible?
Yes, Ananya, you are audible. Good evening. Welcome.
Am I audible?
Now this is Shambhavi.
Yeah.
Yes, Shambhavi, good evening. You are audible.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Ananya Senior. You are also audible. And we have two Ananya in this debate. So Ananya Senior will start first. The second Ananya is in class 12th. She will go later on.
Okay.
So I think I will start now. So good evening, everyone. This is a trial for all of us, actually. For me also, for I think most of you also, because doing a debate on a stage and doing a debate on Zoom is a bit different. but we all will gain experience and confidence out of this. So the topic is clear to all of you. Knowledge is more important than certificate. If you are for it, then you will say knowledge is more important. If you are against it, you will try to prove that certificate is more important than knowledge. And which one is correct, which one is incorrect, that is not the matter. We are going to judge your confidence, how you deliver. Fine, so nothing to worry. It's all for our practice and development. And I think now it is 5-5. So 2 minutes you will get initially to prove your point. Either you are for it or you are against it. Then once all the contestants they will finish, then I will give you again chance. In that case, you can do the rebuttal. Means you can cross your opponent. There is no team, so you can cross anyone. So I hope you all will be carrying a paper and pen so that you can note down the matter of other participants and then you can cross them afterwards. So without delaying further, I will request Ishan to start. Ishan will speak for the motion. Knowledge is more important than certificate.
So can I have to open my camera? This is
Yes.
necessary or not?
Whenever you will speak, you have to switch on your camera. Once you are not speaking, you can switch off. And always after speaking, you can unmute you also.
Okay, sir. So when we go for the knowledge and the certificate, both things are having a different. And when we think only about the knowledge, we have to go for our education system.
Right?
Because the thing which is knowledge, it is not necessary that we have to just go for the certificate and classes regular. It will be just we will just get this from anywhere, from in the entire world, like just traveling on somewhere, just rest on time, like anywhere we get the knowledge. But for the certificate, we have to go for the classroom. There is a university, the schools, and the complete the system. But for the career, certificate is required. Knowledge is like the sky. There is no any limit. Like the number we get is just less. Once I remember that Albert Einstein told that what knowledge he have is like a drop of water from the ocean. The knowledge is like an ocean, and the knowledge he having is like a drop of little water. So the limit of knowledge is nowhere. But for certificate, we have to go for a deep path, which is just 10th, 12th, graduation, master's, PhD, delete, and that's it. But the learning of knowledge is after birth, it is going to be the till die. It is still that period of learning. And for the passion of life, when we really want to do something, certificate is just a barrier of that. But knowledge is actually required for that. Even for the job, for the career, for the business, for anything. Certificate is only for intro on that field. But knowledge is just to help the entire life. Thank you, sir.
Okay, good, Ishan. Very good try. So now I will invite Ananya class 12th because Ananya senior, I think she has lost connection. Okay, she's there. Ananya senior.
Sorry, sir. I had a bit of issue.
No problem. Now I think it's working fine. You can start.
Yes, sir. Oh, it's my turn.
Yes. In between, participants are not there.
Oh, okay. Sir, as we know, the today's motion is whether knowledge is more important than the certificate or not. And
So these are
for
the.
example,
Okay. Your net connection is a bit slow.
sorry.
No problem. Continue.
For example, if you go for your job interview, the recruiter will first want to know what certifications you have.
Okay.
He will not ask you what skills and knowledge you possess. He will see the certificates, and based on the certificates, he will judge you. Or if we take an example from our daily life, then we all know that whenever we get sick, we go to the doctor and not to the chemist. Whereas, in other hand, the chemist also has too much knowledge as he is in that profession since so long. But whenever we want a perfect remedy for our sickness or illness, we go to the doctor because he has that certificate that gives him the credit that whatever he will prescribe us, it will not harm us. It is not going to harm us in any way. So I guess the certificate is more important than knowledge. And I will conclude with that.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Ananya. Now it's turn of Ankur. You will speak for the motion. Knowledge is more important.
So first, I would like to introduce myself.
Okay.
So my name is Ankur Sureka. I did my 10th and 12th from DPS RK Puram, New Delhi. So let me breath first. I just
No
sir,
issues. No issues. No issues.
Can you
Then
give me 2 minutes?
I will pass on to Anmol. Anmol, you will
Yeah,
speak. No, sorry. Yes, Anmol. Anmol for the motion.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. Today, my topic is knowledge versus certificate. So, first of all, when I come to this topic, like knowledge versus certificate, I want to clear this concept what is knowledge and what is certificate. So, basically, knowledge is something that implies to the gaining and learning something like learning skills or learning some art and learning manners. I think so. This is called knowledge. But when it comes to certificate is just a representation of documents, and it is also called degree, which we get from our school, colleges, and from different organization in which we study or in which we learn something. But in my opinion, I think certificate can be bought with money, with the help of money, but knowledge can't be bought with the help of money, because I think for acquiring knowledge we have to put our efforts and we have to put our time in it. But when we want certificate related to any field, uh, in some for some certificate we don't have to put anything, like we only need our 10th certificate, like you have passed your matric exam, like you have passed, now you can acquire this certificate, now you can get this certificate with the help of by paying some money, and only by attending those seminar or attending classes you can get certificate. But when it comes to knowledge, you have to give proper time, you have to learn from there, and then you acquire knowledge. In comparison to when I compare certificate and knowledge, and then I feel like if I have certificate, then it is not necessary that I have knowledge also, then and skills also, and with the help of knowledge we can also have wisdom, power, and also we can also have a spirituality which is more powerful than anything, like certificate also. When it comes to acquiring job, when it comes to getting job, then we require certificate. But for sustaining in that job, we need knowledge, because without knowledge we are not going to sustain, we are not going to continue that job. Because when an employee has no knowledge but they have certificate, they can't sustain in their job, they can't continue their job for lifetime. And I think when I compare to knowledge and certificate, then I feel like certificate can give employment, certificate can give employment, but certificate can't give you certificate can give you employment, but the knowledgeful person can generate employment, they can generate employment, and which is the nowadays this is the basic need for all the youth, because unemployment is very much um, I think I say um, in our country unemployment is so much, so we need to generate employment, and we can only generate our employment with the help of knowledge, so that we can start new things. And lastly I would like to say, like if a knowledgeful person can innovate many things, but with the knowledgeful person can innovate and improves many things in our society, but a person with a bundle of certificate can't do much things, can't do good thing in life. That's all for my topic. Thank you, sir.
Okay, well said, Anmol. Now it's term of Ananya, class 12th. Against the motion.
Yes, am I audible?
Yes. Go ahead.
Yes, sir. So can I start?
Yes, yes.
Hello, everyone. I'm Ananya, and I'm here to speak in against of the motion, which is certificates are more important than knowledge. So before starting, I would like to give you the actual information like what the certificates are. So certificates are the credentials of one's knowledge. Everyone is aware of the fact, the very fact that it doesn't matter that how much knowledgeable a person is. If he doesn't have any certificate, then it is quite difficult for him to survive the competition which is going nowadays. If you will go to any college, or the certificate criteria is mandatory, he will he will ask for your knowledge furtherwise, but the first question will be, what are your qualifications? Many said that certificates are not important, or it only gives you it is only a degree. No, it's not just a degree, but it is more than a satisfaction in ourselves. Consider having a credit for our everyone enjoys credit for their efforts, right? So take a certificate as a credit for your efforts, then it is utmost important to have some to enjoy it is utmost important to enjoy the sorry sir.
It's okay.
You
are going good.
I'll go to my next point. Well, it is said that what you see is sold. That means जो दिखता है वही बिकता है. And I'm just talking the facts. I'm not talking that whether the certificate is right or knowledge is right. What the today world requires, I'm just talking the facts. So if just consider two employees are there, and two person are there, and they are going to apply for a job. So the authorities there will be asked for your qualification. They will surely look for your knowledge also, but they will first ask that what are your qualifications. And knowledge has no limits. And if the two person are equally knowledgeable, then he will have to look for your qualification criteria. And the person with the person which is who is more qualified will automatically get the job. And okay, generating employment is another thing. It cannot be possible for everyone. Gaining job is also what if anyone wants to work in Google or any company like TCS and all? They all at present they all require that is a mandatory that you should have some qualification. And it is also a achievement in ourselves to have some certificate or have some qualification from a recognizable institution. Thank you.
Great, Ananya. Ankur, can you join now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, you have to speak.
Sir, I have to ask
for the motion.
Yeah. So I have to ask one thing. I have to introduce, then speak for the motion, and then conclude also.
See, you can speak and then you can wait also, because I will give you one more turn if you want to cross.
Yeah,
your
that's
opponent.
why.
So you can just speak. And,
Yeah, that thing.
Yes.
Okay, sir. So first I want to introduce myself. So my name is Ankur Sureka. I did my 11th and 12th from DPS RK Puram, New Delhi. I was the accountancy club president in my school. Currently pursuing BCom honors from Sri Ram College of Commerce. And my father's name is Amit Kumar Sureka, and my mother's name is Pooja Sureka, and she is a homemaker. So I will be the topic table before the house is knowledge is important than certificate, and I will be firmly speaking for the motion. So some of you must be thinking and will be telling in a while what the definition of degree or a certificate holder. Let me help you. Degree is nothing but the certified documentation of the knowledge you have. So this is by Google, but let me give you a reality check. It's nothing as the Google say like this. The reality is that a degree, a certificate, in today's generation, a certificate is not a measure of the actual knowledge you have. To elaborate this, any person can start a certification business. Say you start an online test competition and an online course, charge X for the course you started, and pay little for marketing, and now you are done. You can issue certificates. So this is a thing, and moreover what this online test really tests. It tests a very small amount of what programmers do. Programmers test demands exact syntax knowledge, which lacks in most of these online tests or courses that offer certificates. So my point is that certification these days seems to be a method which is used by businesses to earn and promote their services. Due to this, numerous people are there who don't have the desired knowledge, but they have the certificate for that knowledge. And if you talk to them, they will elaborate further that I have this certificate, this certification after certification, but they lack in personal experiences. And recruiters nowadays have started knowing these things, so they don't look on these certificates and the only thing that they look on is knowledge. Moreover, if you even manage to get a certificate, whether it is fake or true, I am not going into that, and you get an interview, but without knowledge, you will not be able to crack that interview. Selection in today's world totally depends on the hard and the soft skills which you possess and the knowledge you exhibit. Moreover, this I give the whole thing which I told you is from a business point of view. let me give you all a day-to-day life example. In day-to-day life, consider two people. One has knowledge and the other has only certificates. Just think, will the later one who only holds certificate will manage to communicate with someone in his professional career or make social connections, or even uh, considering the worst case, he get the job, will he able to enjoy that job to the fullest? The answer is no. Knowledgeable person is the only one who is going to do all these things, and which I think is the definition of a true human life. So at last, I want to conclude this over. Thank you.
Okay, great, Ankur. It was nice hearing you. Now it's time for
Thank you, sir.
Shambhavi. Shambhavi will go against the motion.
Yeah, good evening, everybody. Our motion for today is that knowledge is more important than certificate, and I'm speaking against it because yes, knowledge may be important, but
If
without
you can,
certification,
Shambhavi, your camera is not on, please.
sorry. Yeah.
Yes.
It's okay now. All right. So knowledge may be important. Yes, it is very important for gaining certificates also. But it is not possible for everyone to give a chance and compare people always, which is why certificate is important to prove that you're knowledgeable. Unless someone is extraordinarily talented, they cannot apply to companies or get hired without a certification. You need that thing to enter the world. So if I'm applying to a college and I'm very skilled in documentation or let's say writing, but again, my college will need a certification because they cannot always treat every student and check their work for their talent or anything. It is not possible for us to do so in such a large generation, such a large population. And in order to gain a job to earn your living, you will need a certificate to apply. Many times, people skilled in one or two fields claim talent and are able to gain important projects, but they do not have the basic skills required for those. This is where certification comes handy. Learning something by self or working as a freelancer can be considered good, but certification proves that we have worked on it and know everything there is to know about that skill. It certifies that the person has been tested in that field and saves trouble for every interviewer to have to check each individual. Certificates cannot be bought. It may happen in smaller levels, but it does not work that way in larger scale institutions. Suppose I'm an Indian, my native language is Hindi, but I am applying for a college. They will check my TOEFL certificate to know that whether I know whether I'm proficient in English or not. They will not check whether I'm able to communicate properly with them or whether my pronunciation is great. They won't see that. They will have to check my certification whether or not I am able to do that. And standard certifications are developed so that certifications cannot be turned into a business. And yes, so referring to points stated by some people ahead, certificates are needed to verify whether the student has done the course or not. And the certification business cannot be started without government permission. And if someone is doing so, then it is considered a fake certificate and it won't work internationally or even at national level. As someone said that people with bundle of certificates cannot do anything. Yes, we can, because certification means that the person has been tested. That's it. I would like to conclude with the fact that certification proves that you are skilled in something. People won't check your talent every time unless you are extraordinarily talented, and it creates misconceptions working as a freelancer. So as a student, I cannot apply as a programmer, and also certification is not specific to programmers because I do not have the certifications yet. Thank you.
Thank you, Shambhavi. Good going. Now time for Yash to come for the motion.
Good evening, sir. I have to go with the motion.
Yes.
That knowledge is more important than certificate. So let's see some examples to understand the concept whether knowledge is better or certificate is better. So let's see, in India, we have let's compare India to some other countries so that we can understand it. In India, we know that there is a huge unemployment rate, and let's compare it with some other country like Japan. Let's see the geographical area. Japan is a very small country as compared to India, but India is having a lot of population and the geographical area is also very big as compared to Japan. But the when the skills, when the skill and the knowledge comes, then the Japan is much ahead of us. So here what we see that the government of Japan has put skills and knowledge to the people, and not just certificates, which has put that country to another level instead of their geographical area. Now let's see another example of a person that I think all of you know, Bill Gates. Bill Gates is a person. He is one of the most richest personalities in the world, and he is the co-founder of Microsoft. He is having no certificates. He is having the knowledge. He is having the knowledge and he is having no certificate. He's a dropout student of Harvard University and he is not having any certificate. So here it proves that the knowledge is much important to make yourself and to make something big. So yeah, sometimes certificate matters, but not every time. The knowledge is much more important as compared to certificate. So thank you, sir. I want to conclude.
Thank you, Yash. Ishan, 1 minute. If you want to cross any one of your opponent.
So how many of you know the name of Mahapran? Can I?
It's one way.
Can you
So
repeat?
it's one way.
Okay. So his basic qualification was almost nothing. But whatever he wrote, like Saroja Smriti, Ram Ki Sakti Puja, and all, many of researchers done their PhD and they complete their thesis by that poetry. So that is the power of knowledge.
Your camera is
And
off.
when we go for the certificate, and actually there is a light problem.
Okay.
And I'm in darkness.
Hmm.
So, and when we go for the certificate part, actually a few days ago, I listened a medical case that was a doctor done the surgery and he forget the gloves inside the stomach. Definitely he done his MBBS, MD, MS, MBBS and MS, Masters in Surgery. So definitely he done all these certificate. But even after, he did this wrong. And we have different type of cases like that. And when we go for the UPSC exam to SSC exam, and for SSC to UPSC, so the minimum qualification is graduation. So for being a clerk to the district magistrate, or popularly known as collector, is graduation.
Okay, Shan. I think time is up. Okay. So next, Ananya Senior, you want to say something?
Yes, sir, definitely. As everyone here said very well about the given motion, but I would like to point out a few things that Anmol had said previously. She brought the point of unemployment and related it to the certification and knowledge thing, that one cannot sustain in their job without the knowledge. Definitely, it is very true. One needs knowledge to sustain in their job, even if they get the job because of their certificate. But let's assume if you don't possess the certificate, you won't get the chance to show what knowledge you possess. If you need the chance to showcase your knowledge, you need to have the certificate first. So certification is definitely important. For one can have so much of knowledge, but one cannot show it without having the certificate. No one would focus on their voice.
Okay. Thank you. Ankur, 1 minute. If you want to add something. Unmute.
Sorry, I totally disagree with the fact that someone said if you have a bundle of certificates, you will get employment also, and you can do anything. Okay, so I totally disagree with this. So my point is that knowledge is an abstract term which cannot be evaluated on a bits of paper. It is a broad spectrum which is groomed within the individual and nurtured through the repeated practical implications in life. So, and certificate is just a bit of paper. It's just a piece of paper issued by any college, university, institution, and we don't know whether it is fake or true. While knowledge is a possession which is hard earned by the means of diligency. And as far as my belief and understanding, knowledge is the main thing which one should have. Certificate comes if knowledge is there.
Okay, thank you,
Thank
Ankur.
you.
Anmol, 1 minute.
Actually, sir, I have so many points to tell, but I have only 1 minute to say.
Yes.
So first of all, I want to tell about employment and bundles of certificate. So I have told that with the help of bundle of certificate, person can only have job, but with the help of knowledge, they can generate employment. That's why I have said that they can generate employment, so they don't need to go to the another office or somewhere to get job. And next thing is, every time it is not possible to check the skills. With the help of certificate they can have job, but what if they have qualification, they have certificate, but they don't have knowledge? Then what he or she will do in their job? The progress of company, the progress of institution, and the progress of everything will be, I think, stopped by that employee. And next thing is, as Ishan Bhaiya has said, that doctor has did surgery wrong and did some mistake. So I am totally agree with this. He have certificate of MBBS, but lack of experience, lack of knowledge can can be the blunder for the patient. So I think my last point is, knowledge is everything, and knowledge and certificate, when both joins and both work together, it will very good for everyone. That's
Okay,
all.
thank you. Ananya, you want to add something?
Yes, sir. So, as Anmol said, that she agrees with the other person who say that doctors drop the uh, gloves in the stomach. So, that's not related with knowledge. That's a human mistake. That comes in human mistake, a general mistake. That's not related to knowledge from any aspect. And second, one person said about Bill Gates. And he only added that he has dropped out from Harvard Institute. Harvard Institute is itself a very what we can say, a very um, recognizable
Brand.
institution. So it is brand in itself. Yes, she's right. So it was so only the base. Yes, many said right that knowledge is the only key for getting certificates. But yes, if you will not get the certificate, how will you possess your knowledge?
Okay. Shambhavi,
Yes, so I've got some points. First thing I'd like to say that as Anmol Upal said, you cannot guarantee spirituality with knowledge, and it does not necessarily mean that it will come with it. And as someone said that for our generation, certification is going with the for like a marketing purpose. No, that's also wrong. Certification cannot be done without government permissions, and there are standard certifications. And as it was stated by Ankur Sureka, experience cannot be stated on certificates, but it is there on CV and resume, which interviews and companies do notice. And fake certificates do not work in standard institutes. Also, as Yash Tibbe said, that Gates does not mean that Bill Gates has no certification or they dropped from Harvard, which already requires certificates for entrance and admittance.
Okay.
And
Now we have only last few seconds left. I think time is less. We will see that how I can upgrade this Zoom so that we can
I want to sum up.
be here for a long time. Now it's time up. I think any moment this session will come to an end. So Yash,
Yes.
anything else?
So the great people had were knowledgeable but didn't have the certificates. This thing also.
so
Okay.
I'd
mystery.
like to cross this point. I would like to cross this point.
We'll take Yash first. Yash.
Sir, the thing is that knowledge is important. The most important thing that we are